Nora, come over here.
Watch
the bear.
Okay.
I'm going over here.
Lauren, you haven't wasted much fun.
I know. Oh my gosh, this is too entertaining.
Who are cuties? Who's cuties?
Choo-choo. Choo-choo-choo-choo. Come here, baby. Say hi to the camera. Hello. You gonna take it out?
If he wants to. I'm not from the same.
Wavy, kind of. It's like
I think we know this one wants to always go out.
Oh yeah, just distract her for a while. Oh shit! No,
You said something, Nora.
No. No. Oh, claws. Ow. Okay, not both of you. Get back in there. Neither one of you are let out now. No, you ruined it for both of you. Ow.
Nora, do you want me to kiss your hand? Mwah.
Alright, walk over the other side.
you can buy up at Sally's and then there's like outlets on the side of Target.
I sort of thought that one was your son. Oh, yeah, this is too funny.
They got little outlets on the side. They have like an arts and crafts store in the very end.
Look at that one! Oh, so cute! Look at you! He was so adorable! You know what? Oh shit! Look at you! I wonder if you can see it.
Little exit.
Not very little, but I used to have.
Oh yeah! Hurry, hurry! Oh shit! So distracted. Look! Oh, that one's like. Look at that one!
That's my knuckle.
It's like my second cheek. My first one, it broke. For some reason.
What's more? Hurry.
Here we go.
Hey.
This is so cute! Oh my god!
I already let you out.
Oh! You poor thing.